Alright, we're getting onto the elevator right now. I hope you could see that. That was nasty. You touched it, Dane. Okay. First. Oh wow, that's backwards. I hope that fixes. We're gonna try 6 first. In search of the missing furniture. Alright, we're getting off the elevator. Don't make a sound. Just looking around. Nope, they have all their furniture.
So,
Huh?
this guy says 14 too.
Oh. So that's the end of our quest?
That concludes the...
That concludes our quest. We found out that all of the floors actually have 4 tables. So, our quest was a quest of nonsense. Alright. No, with the video camera, I love it. Alright, Sarah.